All right, recording this for the second time when I already have exams and I gotta finish quickly. So, going over a loss really quickly today, taken in the third macro of the day. This was really the only setup that I saw was valid today in the entire session. So, bias coming into the day was neutral. There was buy side, there was sell side. Buy side gets swept. There's a lot of trailing sell side along the way. Trying to see if I can target that. First AM macro didn't give anything. Second AM macro gave nothing as well. This macro, on the other hand, looked really clean in terms of a potential reversal to the downside, take out sell side, which didn't happen. So we have SMT, which is this. Let me speed it up right here. So we have this SMT where ES sweeps this buy side right here, right, and NQ doesn't. So that higher time frame SMT, it's a 15-minute SMT, I believe, and then also we have very clear correlation between ES and NQ. Look at how ES looks, just making higher highs, and NQ just consolidating. So this was a very nice sign for me that we might have a nice reversal or potential reversal here, which I'm surprised that didn't happen actually. So I'm marking out my targets, which I see that price is, in my opinion, very likely to target before it continues higher, if it wants to continue higher. So that was kind of the bias or the for this macro in this trade. So again, this SMT right here, where ES just continuing to make new highs and NQ doesn't. Here we'll get an impulse. We're still during macro, right? Obviously, just the beginning of it. We got an impulse for value gap, and then my entry. Now, I was fine with entering after the sweep because I am looking to target at least this low. So as long as we don't sweep this low, I will enter off this value gap confidently. Now, if we swept this low, I would have been a little bit more hesitant to enter off this value gap because now, if we sweep this low, now we've tapped into a 15-minute value gap, all right? So that's why I still don't mind entering shorts even after this sweep. Okay, so waiting for a value gap for us to tap into the value gap, and then we do end up tapping right here. Enter stop loss right above midpoint of this order block right here. I do end up moving it a little bit higher in a bit because I include also this wick because they're relatively the same area, same size, so I just include it a little bit. So that's why I increase it in a bit. It did look very nice initially. I was looking to move my stop loss to structure if we make a new low and take out the sell side, but we never end up doing that, which again, I'm actually pretty surprised we didn't at the time because it was looking really nice. So speeding it up, I'm just marking out my TPs right here, which is a bummer. Unfortunately, didn't nothing was hit. Let me speed it up here. Yeah, so here we just inverse this for value gap that I mark out in a bit, and stop loss was hit, just simply like that, and that was the trade for the day. So here I get stopped out in a second, and yeah, that's it. Simple and basic. It was just a loser trade. So that's going to be it. Hope you guys found this insightful. If you want more pre and post analysis just like this, I post my free analysis on or for NASDAQ on my Discord for free. So if you want to tune in and see that, feel free to do so. Link for that is in the description. Also, if you are interested in private mentorship, link for that is also in the description down below. All right. Until next time, guys, stay safe and happy trading. Wait, let me get stopped out. Stopped out. There. Right. Peace.